Hey tech enthusiasts, today I'm comparing the Motorola Razr 50 and its predecessor, the Razr 40. Let's dive into what's new and whether it's worth the upgrade. Starting with the design. The Razr 50 brings a fresh look with a bigger cover screen and a vegan leather back. It also has a new teardrop hinge, the same one from the Razr 50 Ultra, making it the thinnest and lightest in its segment. It has better water protection with an IPX8 rating, but it still lacks dust protection, which the Razr 40 does have with its IP52 rating. On to the display. Both phones sport a 6.9-inch FHD plus LTPO poled main display. The Razr 50, however, has a slightly lower refresh rate of 120 Hz compared to the Razr 40's 144 Hz. Yet the Razr 50 boasts a peak brightness of 3000 nits, which is more than double the Razr 40's 1400 nits, enhancing HDR quality. The cover display is where the Razr 50 shines. It has grown to a 3.6-inch FHD plus screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate, a substantial upgrade from the Razr 40's 1.5-inch display. This allows for more functionality beyond just showing the time and notifications. Performance-wise, the Razr 50 is powered by the new MediaTek Dimensity 7300X SoC, while the Razr 40 runs on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. Though the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 is proven to be capable, we'll have to wait for more benchmarks to see how the new MediaTek chip stacks up. In the camera department, the Razr 50 downsizes to a 50MP primary sensor from the Razr 40's 64MP, but both feature a 13MP ultra-wide lens. They share a 32MP front camera, so your selfies and video calls are covered. Battery and charging remain mostly the same with a 4200 mAh battery and 30W wired charging. However, the Razr 50 edges out with a faster 15W wireless charging compared to the Razr 40's 5W. Both devices come with 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage. But the Razr 50 runs on the latest Android 14 right out of the box and includes Moto AI and Google Gemini advanced features. Expect improved AI photography and handy tools like Help Me Learn, Write, and Plan Events. It's also set to receive updates up to Android 17, whereas the Razr 40 will stop at Android 16. Pricing in India is another factor to consider. The Razr 50 is priced at Rs 64,999, significantly higher than the Razr 40's Rs 44,999. So is the Razr 50 worth the upgrade? It offers a superior cover display, better water protection, enhanced AI features, faster wireless charging, and an extra OS update. But if you prefer a smoother main display and a higher resolution primary camera, the Razr 40 still holds its ground. That's it for today's comparison. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one.